Thank you for buying Liberty Guard Screen Protector. Today we'll show you how to install Liberty Guard Screen Protector. Wet wipes and microfiber cloth and dust removal sticker are in the box. First, clean your screen using the wet wipe to remove any dust. Follow up with a microfiber cloth. And finally, use the dust removal sticker to pick up any dust. Now you're ready to install your screen protector. Make sure your phone is on the right position as the applicator. Peel away the white protective backing using the tab, and do not touch the exposed surface. The exposed sticky side should be facing down towards the face of your phone screen. Run your finger across the sticker of the phone in one quick motion. Carefully peel away the top protective layer. Finally, the installation done quick and easy.